Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, I'm going to share very important information and a portal with you. It's Government of India and MCC portal, Medical Counseling Committee portal. On this portal, you can check the details about participating institutes. Okay, you can see there are some flags with new and there is one participating institute, so you need to click on it. First of all, it will open MCC portals one of the page where you can select type of institution. Okay, so central universities, deemed university, DNB, and all India except means government colleges. So let's take one government college. So we selected all India quota, and there here all the participating institutes. Okay, uh, as per the colleges available on the MCC portal. So let's select one of the college, government medical college quota. Okay, after selection, now we need to select the program, which means nothing but the courses. So all the clinical, non-clinical courses will be available over here. Let's select TB and chest and submit it. So in this government medical college quota for TB and chest, you will be able to find the institute details. Let's see the bond. Okay, bond details, you can find it here. So these all are in official details. You can see as on date 12th of July. Okay, so it's all about the bond there. Okay, you can see there is a 2 years of bond. Recently there was an update regarding the bond in Rajasthan state. Earlier it was 5 years bond, now it's 2 years bond, and the penalty is 25 lakhs. Is uploaded in Hindi language. Okay, but you can so this is the official details here. Let's go back and search something else. So again go for all India institutes, and if you want to select deemed, then you can select deemed also. I'll go over the same institute, government medical college. Let's go for Aurangabad Medical College. Okay, and then select anesthesiology, submit, then go to view profile, open it, download, and now you can see as on date 12th of 12th of September. Okay, this perform for the college information regarding fee, bond, condition, etc. General details, name of the college, complete mailing address. It is in Maharashtra state. Okay, name of the affiliating university, Maharashtra University, MUHS. Amount to be paid at the time of admission. The candidate are advised to communicate with the college institute for the fee and all. The stipend, very important details. This is the official stipend. The first year 64,551, second year 65,112, and third year 65,673. Okay, and some other details. Okay, the contact number of the dean. Okay, residential, email, fax, all these details you will be able to find here. In case bond is applicable, candidates are advised to see the link. So bond details you can find there. So you can find here bond and stipend. That is most important information which you can get here, and this is the official information about the college. So likewise you can figure out the details about deemed universities or like DNB. So I'll show about the deemed university. Let's select one of the deemed universities, Hamdard Medical College, for the branch of general medicine. Submit, and here you go, view profile, open, download. So here you can see they provide a stipend of 80,000. Okay, and other details you can figure out. Similarly, you can find the details about the DNB hospitals also. Select DNB and then select Shankar Eye Hospital, Vijayawada. Only ophthalmology is available, and submit it. So you are able to see the profile here. So whichever institute you are interested into, you can find the details about it. They are providing 44,000 in the first year, 46, 48 in the second and third year. This is the official. But in DNB, somewhere in some of the institutes, you can expect some problem in getting the stipend amount. This is mobile number given, so you can contact them directly. Okay, and the official address, all such things. So it's very important uh, portal. Okay, an official portal. On this portal only you will be able to do the counseling. Okay, seat matrix will be published soon. Here is coming available soon. So the registration is starting from 15th, and before that, if you are interested to know the stipend and bond details about particular institutes, no matter which institutes, you can go ahead, and here you can see during the choice filling also you will be finding institutes name in this way only. Same name will be mentioned over there. Okay, candidates had done some mistakes last year because you take any chain hospital, okay, like Max. Okay, uh, so Max available in multiple locations, and during the choice filling the complete address was not mentioned. Okay, in that case you fail to know which one you have selected, which branch you have selected. Okay, so those things you need to take care during the choice filling and all. Okay, I will be updating you other information with you as the choice filling and other dates before the choice filling. You need to have the seat matrix. These all things get published. I will keep on updating, and you can avail our paid counseling guidance also. In the description of the video, you can find the number 9319128677, and you can join the Telegram group. Many updates you can find quickly over there. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and goodbye. Take care.